General information of Zeekr X. The Zeekr X is an electric vehicle created by the Chinese automaker Geely's top-notch electric vehicle brand. This brand was presented as a feature of Geely's more extensive system to contend in the very good quality EV market, especially against organizations like Tesla. The Zeekr X was formally uncovered in 2023 as a reduced hybrid SUV, zeroing in on joining extravagance, cutting-edge innovation, and execution. This model is based on Geely's supportable experience engineering, which is a secluded electric vehicle stage intended to be profoundly versatile for various kinds of EVs. Key features of the Zeekr X. Design: the Zeekr X elements a smooth and present-day plan with a moderate inside, portrayed by an enormous focal touchscreen, premium materials, and an emphasis on client experience. Performance: the Zeekr X is outfitted with strong electric engines that give speedy speed increase and a long driving reach, making it serious with other premium MEVs. Sustainability: as an electric vehicle, the Zeekr X adds to Geely's endeavors to diminish fossil fuel byproducts and advance reasonable transportation. The Zeekr X has been promoted principally in China, yet is important for Zeekr's more extensive aspirations to venture into global business sectors, especially in Europe. Information about Zeekr X interior design. The interior of the Zeekr X is designed to blend modern technology with comfort and style, aiming to provide a premium experience. Here are the key features and characteristics of its interior. Do you like to listen about dashboard and layout? Okay, listen to me. Minimalist design: the dashboard of the Zeekr X features a clean, minimalist design with smooth surfaces and a streamlined appearance. The design emphasizes simplicity and modernity, reducing visual clutter. Digital displays: a large central touchscreen dominates the dashboard, serving as the hub for the vehicle's infotainment and control systems. Additionally, there may be a digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel, providing essential driving information. Materials and ambient lighting. Premium materials: the interior is likely finished with high-quality materials such as soft-touch plastics, leather or synthetic leather upholstery, and possibly metal or wood accents, depending on the trim level. The choice of materials is aimed at creating a luxurious feel. Ambient lighting: the Zeekr X might feature customizable ambient lighting, adding to the cabin's upscale atmosphere, especially during nighttime driving. Advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS: the Zeekr X is likely equipped with a suite of ADAS features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and possibly more advanced semi-autonomous driving capabilities. Overall, the interior of the Zeekr X is designed to appeal to a modern, tech-savvy audience, offering a blend of luxury, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. The focus on clean design, premium materials, and advanced features positions it as a strong contender in the electric vehicle market. Sound system. Premium audio system: higher trims of the Zeekr X might come equipped with a premium audio system, offering high-quality sound for an immersive listening experience. This could be branded by a well-known audio company. The Zeekr X features a modern and sleek exterior design that aligns with contemporary trends in the electric vehicle market. Here are some key design elements and characteristics of the Zeekr X's exterior. Front fascia. LED headlights: the Zeekr X comes with slim, angular LED headlights that give the vehicle a sharp, futuristic look. The lights are often integrated with daytime running lights, enhancing visibility and style. Grille: as an electric vehicle, the Zeekr X typically features a closed-off front grille, a common design choice for EVs, as it reduces drag and improves aerodynamics. The grille area may also incorporate distinctive design elements or patterns to add character. Rear design. LED tail lights: the rear of the Zeekr X is characterized by a full-width LED tail light bar, a design trend that emphasizes the vehicle's width and adds to its futuristic appearance. The tail lights are usually slim and connected across the tailgate. Sculpted rear bumper: the rear bumper is likely to be sculpted with integrated reflectors and possibly a diffuser element, giving the vehicle a sporty edge. Color options. diverse palette. The Zeekr X is likely available in a range of contemporary colors, from classic whites, blacks, and silvers to more vibrant hues like blues, reds, or even unique shades to appeal to a wide audience. Roof design. Panoramic sunroof. Many trims of the Zeekr X might include a panoramic sunroof or a full glass roof, which not only enhances the exterior look but also provides a more open and airy feeling inside the cabin. Aerodynamic elements. Spoilers and air dams. The vehicle may feature small spoilers or air dams, especially in higher trims, to improve aerodynamics and contribute to the sporty design language. Overall, the Zeekr X's exterior design combines elements of sportiness, modernity, and efficiency, reflecting its status as a contemporary electric vehicle aimed at a style-conscious market.